Hello guys! A lot of things has been happening in the past 3 months. My home has been completely revamped, but before I show you my place, let me show you how it looked like 3 months before. That was 3 months ago. Let me show you how it looks like now. We actually did a gut reno. So this place initially was tenanted out. The last time it went through renovation, this place was maybe about 10 years ago already. Yeah, so the design was very old and stuff. So after we sold our place, where we wanted to move into a new home lah. So we decided to do a gut reno of this place.
We don't really have a specific theme name for this house lah. It's actually just a mix of everything that we like.
I mean, if you really want to have a theme to it, I don't know, you can mix it up lah. Maybe a bit of Japan-y, maybe a bit of modern, maybe a bit of wabi-sabi. I like the design of the living room. I think not just the lighting, the curved elements of the living room. It feels very, very soft, not so edgy. So when we did our lights, they are all from Seoul Luminaire, right? They are all warm lights. One thing about warm lights is I realize it's very easy for me to sleep nowadays. So for me, when I come home, I just want to relax. After a full day of work outside, right? I just want to relax.
Actually, the master bedroom colour and here is a bit different. It's more like the travertine kind of laminate kind of feel lah. And also there is like curve around my dressing table there, which make the whole room very soft, very like just very calm, I would say. So every night, because last time our house we don't have like night lights one, so we only got one light on a fan. So every time when we're going to sleep, right, like before we sleep, wind down to sleep, we want to use our phone and stuff. It's still very bright. So for now, we have like those night lights, cove light around our headboard, right? It's very easy. I mean, the mood is like better.
Makes you very sleepy already lah to begin with.
Yeah, so you won't have to like slowly fall asleep.
Yeah,
Instead, actually very fast lah.
For R&R, right, what I really like about them is they're very, very on the ball. So every time when there is a problem, they will straight away try to solve it. Yeah, if they cannot solve it, they will go and find a solution on how to solve it. Another thing that we really appreciate about Cynthia and Greg, right, is that when we came into this whole renovation process, my wife has a certain idea about how she wants the place to look like, but we don't know how functional it will be. So at the end of the day, we still need to sit down with the designers and tell them what is our lifestyle like, and then they will propose lah, like how to design the place. So after that, we go down to the selecting of house lah, furnitures and stuff. We cannot really visualize how it will look like. Yeah, so when we go down, we also leave a lot of things to the designers to help us to choose lah. So a lot of times she asks me, hey, which one you like, which one you like? I tell her, actually, I don't really know. Yeah, she will roughly tell her what color she likes, and then they will say, okay lah, then we go for this color, this color, this color. Yeah, then when they go and match it out, right, and show it to us, and when it's finally done, then we see the real thing. Then it's like, wow, actually, yeah, thanks man, because all these were all chosen by you guys. I think ID really helps you to save a lot of time because they are also one being on the ground. They come down to site, right, to make sure that everything is done. If not, otherwise you have to be that person to be here to enforce lah, right? It's like a sergeant like that ma. Yeah, sergeant and all your men doing work, right? If the sergeant is not wrong, you think your men will do work. No, men also will slack a little bit lah. Then your project will be delayed lah. Yeah, especially now when there are so many renovation horror stories going around. I think it's quite rampant. So I think one advice is go and do your homework. ID wise, right? I think usually if you go with a more branded company, a bigger brand, I think it'll be safer lah, because they are a little bit more established. Then they've worked with contractors who are in this line for many, many years and they've worked together for many, many years. I had a timeline, so I only had 3 months to renovate. And if I couldn't complete on time, I told Cynthia and Greg, I said, if I really cannot complete on time, I have no place to stay. But yeah, thank God. Yeah, thank God we managed to move in on time. I think we can take this opportunity to thank R&R, especially Cynthia and Greg, Wilson also, for helping us do up this place into such a nice home that we can live in for the next 10 to 20 years easily. One thing I also want to mention about R&R, right, is they do have lifetime warranty for the customers that covers carpentry mechanism lah. So let's say if we're living in the house for long enough, right, there's definitely going to be wear and tear lah, especially when you open and close cupboards, right, the hinges are going to wear out. And this is something that they cover. It's gone, right? It's worn out. You can actually let them know, they will just replace it for you. The lifetime warranty is actually transferable. That means it goes on to the next buyer. And then they also have this thing called the Super App, which is, in my opinion, I think is very sort of life-changing lah. Because this Super App, right, it allows you to connect directly to R&R. You just need to take photos of whatever that needs to be touched up, send it into the app, it will upload into their database, right? And then they come and fix your house for you. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed the home tour. If you guys are looking for an ID, remember, you can consider R&R because I think they did a brilliant job in the house. You guys can see yourself. So if you're looking for IDs, look for R&R, look for Cynthia, look for Greg. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.